sloka a day. A sloka a day keeps you free from shoka. Study the namas in each sloka. Understand their meanings. Memorize the words. Repeat them as often as you can. Recite the mantras, causing deep vibrations. Praise Him, worship Him, and prostrate yourself before Him. Meditate on the namas and the mantras. Become receptive and thus reap the fruit of divine grace. It helps you to chart out a sure and joyous journey towards eternal bliss. जीवो विनयिता साक्षी
जीवो विनयिता साक्षी
मुकुन्दोमितविक्रमः
मुकुन्दोमितविक्रमः
अम्भोनिधिरनन्तात्मा
अम्भोनिधिरनन्तात्मा
महोदधिशयोऽन्तकः
महोदधिशयोऽन्तकः
जीवः
जीवः
विनयिता
विनयिता
साक्षी
साक्षी
मुकुन्दः
मुकुन्दः
अमितविक्रमः
अमितविक्रमः
अम्भोनिधिः
अम्भोनिधिः
अनन्तात्मा
अनन्तात्मा
महोदधिशयः
महोदधिशयः
अन्तकः
अन्तकः
ॐ जीवाय नमः
ॐ जीवाय नमः
ॐ विनयिता साक्षिणे नमः
ॐ विनयिता साक्षिणे नमः
ॐ मुकुन्दाय नमः
ॐ मुकुन्दाय नमः
ॐ अमितविक्रमाय नमः
ॐ अमितविक्रमाय नमः
ॐ अम्भोनिधये नमः
ॐ अम्भोनिधये नमः
ॐ अनन्तात्मने नमः
ॐ अनन्तात्मने नमः
ॐ महोदधिशयाय नमः
ॐ महोदधिशयाय नमः
ॐ अन्तकाय नमः
ॐ अन्तकाय नमः
He is Jiva, who invigorates the devotees, gives them strength to avoid the path of destruction, and goes on observing them in order to protect them. He empowers them to worship, meditate, and inquire into the true nature of Brahman. He grants them liberation for their wholehearted devotion. He takes the form of a tortoise and stays in the lower regions of the ocean. He reclines on the belly of Sesha, using it as a bed. And at the time of Pralaya, he dissolves the entire created universe.